there's anybody out there struggling, you don't know when you're gonna come out, the Lord gave me a word for you. He told me to tell you, the struggle is over. The road has been rough. The struggle is over. You struggle long enough. Your life has been like a merry-go-round, like a roller coaster. It's been up and down. But through your struggles, you didn't lose your mind. Now God said, it's your time. Ooh, yeah. The struggle is over. Yeah, over. I'm ready for my better day. Let me tell you something. I've had to deal with so much agony and pain. I couldn't get no sunshine, nothing but rain. But I can see the break of day. I know my God has truly made a way.
I just wanna thank God.
I wanna thank God, yeah.
I just wanna thank God.
My soul
Rise up, hallelujah. I just wanna thank God.
The struggle is over.
I just wanna thank God.
He's Jireh.
I just wanna thank
That's right, my provider.
my soul. Rise up, hallelujah. I just wanna thank God.
For making a way. I just came to say,
Struggle is over.
no more strengthening.
Struggle is over.
I'm ready now
Struggle is over.
to receive my blessings.
Struggle is over.
When the night is gone,
Struggle is over.
I can see the break of day.
Struggle is over.
Now finally,
Struggle is over.
I can truly say, I wanna say, thank God.
Thank God.
Because when I thought I wasn't gonna make it,
Thank God.
He came through. When I think about
Thank God. Thank God.
His goodness
Thank God.
and all the Lord has done for me,
Thank God. Thank God.
get the victory.
Thank God.
I just wanna
Thank God.
thank God
Thank God.
for grace,
Thank God.
mercy,
Thank God.
favor.
Thank God.
It could have been me
Thank God.
out in the streets
Thank God.
with no place to go. So when I think,
When I think of His goodness and all that He's done for me,
hey, ooh,
my soul cries out,
thank God, thank God.
hallelujah.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna,
Thank God.
if you
Thank God.
only knew
Thank God.
what He brought me through,
Thank God.
you would
Thank God.
thank God.
Thank God.
God bless you. And point at yourself and tell yourself,
The struggle is over.
the struggle is over in my life.
Struggle is over.
You gotta speak it into existence.
Struggle is